Welcome to Planet Africa Television. I am Patricia Baby Amawa. On today's program, we're showcasing the 2013 Planet Africa Awards scheduled for November 2nd at the International Center. This year is especially unique because it is the 10th anniversary of the event. And we're also celebrating the 50th anniversary of the March on Washington and the I Have a Dream speech. And Bernice King, the beloved daughter of Martin Luther King Jr., will be joining us to accept the Legend Award in honor of her father's legacy. But we're also making this year's event more interactive. We have developed the Planet Africa Awards app, and the good folks at TheApplabb helped us to do this. And right now we have the CEO and president of TheApplabb, Kundan Joshi, with us. Hello, Kundan.
Hi, Patricia.
How are you?
Good. Thank you for having me today.
Oh, thanks for coming, and it's really exciting to talk about the Planet Africa Awards app. First of all, tell me, how did you get into, software development and all that?
Well, I did my education in software. I did my software engineering, and I always wanted to be an entrepreneur. So that was a decade ago, and now here we are. We've been doing mobile apps for the last 3 years or so. Been working with several big clients, and we've developed more than 100 apps for various clients all over. And it's just wonderful to be here.
Wow, that's great. And I know you also have solutions for events such as ours.
Yes.
And we're, really excited about it, actually. So tell me a little bit about the Planet Africa Awards app and what, people out there should expect when they download the app.
Certainly. I mean, the Planet Africa app is basically based on our TheEventsApp platform developed by TheApplabb. And it's a platform which allows users of the event, such as conferences, award shows, galas like yours, to engage with the event itself. So I'll give you a quick demo of the app. So that's what the app looks like. This is the first view that anyone has seen. But the app basically gives you a chance to get all the information. So everything from your schedule, the location of the event, the recipients, the award recipients, the speakers, what's the entertainment. So get all the information live. Obviously, it's updated as it happens. So a day before the event, if there's a change in the schedule, I'm sure it wouldn't be, it'll be updated right away. So that's the great thing about that. As well as obviously you have features like the news, where you have a consolidated view of all the news from Planet Africa, whether it's from your blog, from your Facebook, from your Twitter, all of that will be here. And your users can not just view that, but also engage with it. They can share it, they can respond to it, they can comment to it, and things like that. As well as obviously they can take a look at your videos, they can watch the event live on the app itself, they can take a look at the pictures, they can download, they can buy the tickets and engage through fan wall and stuff like that. As well as we'll have a loyalty piece, which is basically a rewarding mechanism where you can find who the top users of your app are, and then you can reward them based on who's the best user. And we talked about this as well.
Yes.
We will be rewarding the top user at the awards itself.
Yes, and if you're one of the top users and you actually share the app with your friends, and we see that you're very enthusiastic about it, we'll be giving you free subscriptions to the Planet Africa magazine. So make sure you share it with your friend. And I'm also excited about how the app interacts with social media. Tell me a little bit about how people can, share it with your friends on Facebook, on Twitter, and how they can even, interact with other users of the app.
I mean, one challenge when it comes to events is I like this event, I'm going to an event, but in terms of sharing it, I have to send an email to everyone, or I have to find all my friends who will be interested in it. The great thing about this app is when it allows your users to log into their Facebook and Twitter accounts once they download the app, and then basically select all their friends and just share the app with them. So it's a great way and easy way to share information in 2 steps, as well as throughout the app. Once you've logged in, you can make comments, you can retweet, you can like pages, and it all gets integrated with your social profiles. So those are some of the great features when it comes to interactivity and sharing.
Wow, great. And also, if you're out there and you're also wondering, on the day of the event, how are we going to be able to interact with each other with the app? Tell me a little bit about how on the day of this can also, increase excitement, interactivity,
Certainly.
and the overall experience of the event.
Certainly. I mean, we have a feature called the fan wall in the app where users can talk about the event. They can talk to each other about the event. They can comment with each other, interact with each other. They can find each other and fix up a meeting to network. So
So
things like
maybe
that can be
marriages
done.
will happen, from this.
You never know. Yeah, exactly. Marriages can happen. Great business partnerships can happen. All of that, it just becomes a conduit. You have a great event which already does that. This just goes another mile of ensuring that. As well as users can take pictures at the event itself and upload them right away on the app, share it with their friends, tweet it, Facebook it, all of that. So great way to just engage and experience the event fully using the app.
Tell us about the push notification
Yes.
feature as well.
The push notification feature is great from the organizer's perspective. I mean, one of the biggest headaches is if there are some changes in the event, what do you do? So the great thing that, that you can do with the app is you can basically talk to your users. You can tell them, okay, the schedule is running 5 minutes late, or you can welcome all the people who are at the venue. You can send a message only to the people who are at the venue saying that welcome to the event, or people who are not at the event yet. So you can send a message to everyone else who's not at the venue saying that, guys, you're running late. Come to the event. We are starting in 5 minutes or so on. So great way for you to directly interact with your users using the app and avoiding direct announcements from the MC if not necessary.
Wow, that's wonderful. Now, Kundan, I know the app will be available on Friday, the 25th of October, to download the app on your phone, on iPhone or Android. Kundan, tell us, how can they do that?
They can just go to the App Store of their phone, and they can just type in Planet Africa, and they'll be able to download it. As well as on your website, for the Planet Africa website, we will have banners and we'll have information about how to download the app as well.
Well, great. Well, thank you so much, Kundan. It's been great having you. And I hope you're going to be downloading the app.